Welcome the our channel. Today we how to install Onit Legal Operations, quick tutorial step by. Start by visiting the Onit website. Navigate to the Legal Operations section. Click on the download button for the software. Once downloaded, locate the installation file on your computer. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. Select the destination folder where you want the software installed. Choose whether to create a desktop shortcut for easy access. Review the installation settings and click Install to continue. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, click Finish to exit the installer. Launch Onit Legal Operations from your desktop or Start menu. Log in using your credentials if prompted. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the available tools and features at your disposal. Adjust settings according to your organization's needs. You're now ready to start using Onit Legal Operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.